Alright guys, so here's the example that we did in class. We have a 3.5 kilogram fish that's hung from a spring scale, and then it causes the spring to stretch by 1.25 centimeters. We want to determine the spring constant of the scale, and then from that figure out how much it would stretch if you put a 5 kilogram fish on the same scale. So remember, when it stretches from its natural length, we write that as delta x, and in this case 1.25 centimeters is the same as 0.0125 meters. Remember in this case that the fish is balanced on the spring, so that the force of gravity, the weight, is equal to the spring force. And so again here, just to be appropriate, we're accounting for the sign. And if we solve for the spring constant, find that K is equal to 2,744 newtons per meter. We can then use the same relationship to determine how much will the spring stretch if we were to put a different fish on the scale. So if we solve for how much it would stretch, find that it's the weight divided by the spring constant, or in this case, if we put the 5.8 kilogram fish on the scale, it would stretch the spring by 0.0207 meters or 2.07 centimeters.